In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Maps on your Webflow website. If you've ever wanted to integrate Google Maps into your Webflow project to enhance user experience, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the steps, making the process straightforward and easy to follow. So, let's get started. First, head over to Webflow's official website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering webflow.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to follow along. Click on the Login button, which you'll find prominently displayed at the top right corner of the Webflow homepage. Enter your credentials and sign in. After logging in, navigate to your dashboard. This is your central hub where all your Webflow projects are listed. From here, select the project where you want to embed the Google Maps widget. Once you've chosen the project, it's time to dive into the next step. Inside your project editor, look for the Add Elements panel. This is typically located on the left side of your workspace. Click on it to reveal a variety of elements you can add to your site. You might notice familiar components like text blocks, images, and buttons. But for our purpose, we need to search specifically for code. In the search bar within this panel, type Code. This will filter the elements and show you the relevant options. Now, you'll need to click on Code Embed. This is the tool we'll use to integrate Google Maps into your site. Once the Code Embed option is selected, a new section will appear on your page, allowing you to input custom HTML. Next, it's time to paste the widget code. To get this code, you must visit the Google Maps website, locate the map you wish to embed, and select the Share option. Then click on Embed a Map, which will provide you with an HTML code snippet. Copy this code, return to Webflow, and paste it into the code embed element you just added. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully embedded Google Maps into your Webflow project. This integration allows visitors to interact with the map directly on your site, providing a more immersive experience. Before we finish, remember to publish your project to see the changes live. Embedding Google Maps can be a great way to guide users to your physical location or highlight geographic context relevant to your content. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!